In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create interactive links within your Microsoft Word documents. This is a fantastic feature that can enhance the navigation experience for anyone who will be reading your document. Let's dive right in and make your documents more dynamic and user-friendly. First, start by opening your Microsoft Word file. You want to make sure you have the document ready where you plan to add these interactive elements. For this demonstration, we'll be working with a multi-page document where we will establish a navigation button from the first page to the second page. Now let's prepare our second page. Go ahead and input some text there. In this example, we'll simply call it Page 2 just to keep things straightforward. This text is going to be the destination for our hyperlink. Once you have your text on the second page, the next step is to create a bookmark. Highlight the text you've just entered, then navigate to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of your screen. Here, you'll see an option labeled Bookmark. Click on it, and a pop-up will appear prompting you to input a name for this bookmark. A good practice is to use something memorable and relevant, like Page 2 in this case. After you've entered the name, click Add. This bookmark is now your target location for the link. Next, return to your first page where you want the button or hyperlink to be. Type any text that will serve as your navigation button. In our example, we're using Next Page. This text is what readers will click on to be taken to the bookmarked location on the second page. With your text in place on the first page, highlight it and go back to the Insert tab. This time you'll want to click on Link. Once you do, a dialog box will appear. You'll see several options on where you can link to. The one you need is Place in this document. Selecting this will display any bookmarks you've created, and you should see the one named Page 2 listed here. Click it to select it, and then hit OK. And there you have it. You've successfully created a hyperlink within your Word document that allows you to jump from the first page to the second, making navigating through your document just a click away. This method is particularly useful in lengthy documents such as reports or manuals, where quick navigation can significantly enhance the reading experience. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. By following these steps, you can start creating more interactive and engaging Word documents right away. Don't forget to test your new link to ensure it's working smoothly before sharing your document.